Hey, what's up, everyone? Good morning. Good morning, Spencer.
Morning, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Brother,
Tell me about it.
you're not gonna believe what I did last night.
Tell me.
I've never done anything like this crispy ever in my trading career, especially during Tokyo session. I've never even traded Tokyo, honestly. Um, Look at this. I'll show you real quick. Share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Wow. Oh my God.
So basically, we have that 572 call wall on SPY. So I posted talking about how I believe we're going to gap down, even though we ended up pulling back up end of the day or end of the night. But I was expecting a gap down. So basically, right off the open, I see ES go up and sweep the New York high from yesterday. So when I saw that, I entered right here, 5792. We stops above the high. We pull up, almost stop me out, and then just get this melt. And originally, this is my target. I wanted to target this liquidity because I thought we were gonna have a big melt. But right before bed, I had just this slight intuition kick in and tell me, you know what? I was looking at this and I'm like, I don't see a Tokyo eating this entire New York session overnight. So let's make a more realistic targeting this right here. I set a limit order, and in the middle of the night, bottom ticked it to the exact low. I was
Absolutely
blown away. So yeah, middle of the night, 20-pointer for a little lunch money.
Yeah, I swear. Tokyo is the best session sometimes.
That was pretty good. Well, I've just noticed a lot lately, like when the market opens at a high or a low and immediately sweeps it, that night, it's going to move the opposite direction. Like I've seen it do it at the lows too. We close low and sweep the low immediately off the open, or at 5 o'clock when that market reopens. We'll just have one of those nice little trending days, but sometimes it'll just go all day. I'm glad I freaking moved my target to here. Otherwise, I would have completely been at break even this morning. But the fact that I moved it to the exact
That's insane.
oh my,
It's unbelievable. On CFDs, you would have it wouldn't have triggered the TP.
right? It would have needed to go a little further, huh?
Wow. Congrats, man. How did you sleep with having this position open?
Dude, like a baby. I had the other crazy thing is
That's insane.
right after this hits, I naturally at 4 a.m. It was like a little bit after price was over here, but at 4 a.m. I woke up naturally, just randomly, and look at my phone and see this thing, and then I fell back asleep like a baby. I'm like, yes.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah, on stream we would have probably closed it early.
Bro, on stream, I wouldn't even have taken this trade. Oh man, dude, I've just been trying to listen to my intuition more lately because it's fucking always correct, man.
So for today, to be honest, I think the plan is similar like yesterday. Yesterday we didn't follow it, but I'm kind of confused. I'm not even sure about if I want to trade ES, if I want to stick to gold today, because with gold I'm a little bit more short today. Uh, so yeah, it's better when you do the market outlook today.
I would say yes. Spy's gonna have better opportunities because we got big tech in NQ. NQ's been moving very nicely. Nvidia, all the big movers, Tesla and stuff. So a lot of the more laggy stocks have been in the S&P 500, which is better for when the big move does come, when the drop does come, it's going to be better for ES. They're both going to move, but I feel like the opportunity is going to be better for ES. So look at this, though. We have this massive consolidation. It's also been kind of a rising wedge, and it's faked out. It faked out yesterday, the drop that I was expecting to keep going. Last night it did it again. It's kind of just not really respecting this bottom trend line too much, but if we can let go of some of this liquidity down here, get this low, that's when I'm. And plus, we're like a day or two behind. The big sell-off was expected to happen Monday, Tuesday. It's now Wednesday, and the fact that it still hasn't happened is honestly due to yesterday or Friday, the Fed's cutting interest rates by 50 points. So the fact that we had that extremely positive impact on the market, along with quad witching and stuff, which was potentially causing last week's like super choppy market. I expect now, I think everything's kind of up to date and caught up, so it should happen today. I think honestly today, bro. I think today's I would expect it to happen. So yeah, taking out this New York. Now we have the New York and Tokyo highs kind of equal, very lined up. So if we can just pop up a little bit right here, boom, create this little fake out to trap buyers, and then break down, taking out all of this. I want to see a leg down all the way here.
What is, according to this probability calendar, what's the probability of closing bearish today?
So it's a little bit, like I said, the days are a little, I feel like, completely off. Hold on, let me pull it up real quick. It's not, it's actually like 50%. It's like 50-50.
Because when you go to the daily, you see clearly that we had so far, ever since the session started, like it's the Asia session, which has formed a bottom wick, which filled all like the imbalance of yesterday's candle. As of now, it looks like there's going to be a big breakout once again.
So historically, end of September, the market has a massive dump, like a massive dump. And historically, Monday and Tuesday have been the biggest sell days every single year, in the past. So the fact that we didn't get those massive sell days and we're holding up and staying strong, it could be one, a sign of the bulls just being, resilient and holding their own. But we need to see a couple things. We need to see VIX break the highs, and we, at the same time that ES comes down. And the fact that we didn't get it on Monday, Tuesday, today's a 42% chance of closing green. I mean, like in the past, that's what's on the report. But because we didn't get it yet, I think that it could come a little bit late this month instead of every day is not going to be perfect every year. So it could be a day off, it could not come at all. But the chances of it coming are higher the longer time goes on. I feel like, even though if the market wants to stay strong, it can, But tomorrow, GDP growth rates come out. Tomorrow's 66% chance of growing. So it's supposed to be a green day tomorrow. But I feel like that could be pushed too. Like if we have the big sell day today, we can have the retracement tomorrow or Friday. So
yeah, but then also I always think like, okay, it's the last week of this month. What do we have next week? We're going to have NFP. So how is the monthly candle going to close? Is it going to leave a top wick? If it has to leave a top wick, obviously we would need a sell-off this week. Obviously. In order to form a top wick on the monthly time frame, we need quite a big sell-off this week. Otherwise, it's going to close without any top wick.
Yeah. Oh, that thing just shot up. Was there news?
No, it's just stock exchange open.
Oh. Well, there goes that high. Oh no. I thought we took out the high, but not really.
My plan is the same like yesterday. If it goes up first, I look for shorts. If it goes back down, I look for longs. Only that today I'm not going to sell the bottom. No, that's a learning that I took from yesterday.
Yeah, no more. Okay, there's that high taken out, just like that. Sell. Take sells right now.
Okay, we're about to take out the all-time high once again.
Oh yeah.
Or we just boom, all-time high taken out once again.
Yeah, that thing's ripping. Seems like that's off. And to get that right off the open like that, it's interesting. Like,
yeah,
just a massive push up to all-time highs. We got new home sales in 28 minutes. High impact for sure.
but the all-time high is obviously the mother of all liquidities that you can have.
Kind of. Sometimes it's not though. I feel like because a lot of people they're not. You can't time selling the all-time high, so why people aren't going to have their stop losses above it,
Yeah, but there's a lot of people that say, okay, if it breaks the all-time high, I'm gonna
go long or something. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Trap. It's a good trap spot. Just like that. Did sweep it pretty nicely. Yeah, on the all-time high, I'm never going to try and snipe the top. I'll wait for the market structure shift. But right before bed, crazy. Oh boy. Okay. How did I do that again? Oh, you know what? I gotta watch spot here. Okay. Yeah. We just tapped into this to the call wall at 572 on SPY. So we could potentially have this thing melting.
Yeah, yes, it's definitely interesting. I mean, the sweep of the all-time high right at the open, that's not that it would instantly reverse, but it's what I was waiting for yesterday. So I'm just watching. I want to see, yeah, a shift in structure, another internal liquidity grab, and then
Yeah, so on SPY we got up to 571.86. 571 or 572 is where a mass majority of the whales in the market have their call contracts selling at. So once that level hits, we got a little, like probably another push up, and then potentially this market is going to flip on us.
but why doesn't it show this as an all-time high on your chart?
I'm on, this is SPY.
That's not, SPY is not the same, like
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, they move a little different.
Oh, okay. I thought it's the same.
I mean, the 5 minutes, 1 minutes, all the candles move the same, but there's just gaps on the SPY chart, and the prices are different, obviously, because the SPY doesn't move 24/7; it moves like a stock. Like,
I saw an ad for, I don't know what it is, software, a statistical software tool. It says like in 68% or 64% of the times, when price breaks out of the opening range, which is 1 hour into the open, then in 64% of the cases, it doesn't break out to the other side. And I need to check, like I need to get access to the software because it says it like on weekdays how big the chance is if it takes out the low first, how big is the chance it's also going to take out the high and vice versa. So I don't have this yet. I just saw an ad. Sounds very interesting.
yeah, some people use the opening range as the 1 hour. A lot of people use the opening range as the first 15 minutes. So that's what I use it. The first 15 minutes, the opening range. Typically, once the opening range is created, the 15 will sweep one side and then head in the other direction for the day. Because that's right around that 10 o'clock Eastern time. But come on, Spy, get up there.
Alessio is asking high prevision for the two news. No, like on my calendar, it only shows medium impact.
New
So I
home,
don't.
new home sales gets the market pumping pretty good. We'll see. I'm just gonna set an alert at this level. So. Okay, now we know. This taps in. I'm going short for sure. Any signs of rejection off that 572 level. Trade yes today.
Yeah, today I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to be completed. Possibly even the 1 hour. Just gonna skip the first and the second move. Gonna take the third or the fourth move.
Spy leg, my dump. Yes, already melting. Got that flag. Little bull flag failed. Tap it into the fair value gap though. We could get a push up here. When my AC comes on, is it loud? Can you hear it?
No, I have a filter for background noises.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm actually spending money to have the best possible quality for my 5 viewers. Give me a like, please. At least a like. I don't even have one like. That I cannot believe it. I take this so serious. 0 likes. Yeah, it is what it is.
Get that push. We don't want to see a sick show day today. I mean, technically, bro, we swept in New York last night. Don't. We're back up. We're ready for another go. There we go. Push, 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 push. AC is freezing. Yeah. It's at 70 degrees. Holy shit. Oh boy. There's some big dollar bills today. Oh man. SPY's rejecting my call wall a little early, but it's rejecting nice. That was the entry for shorts. Should have just sniped the freaking gosh darn all-time high. It would have been up to the exact tick. Why do I hesitate? I just don't pull the trigger when I'm on live. It's so weird. I know what the market's going to do, and I just don't pull the trigger.
Wow, that's a big sell-off.
Exactly. From the exact freaking 10.
This is the first. Now it broke structure on the lower time frame for the first time. So
yeah,
according to my logic, it takes out the high again, or it has to. So what am I going to do? I'm going to set an alert, even though it looks so unlogical that it's going to break this again.
I don't know about a break, but maybe a break or just a lower high. That'll do too.
Yeah, true.
If I could spot a lower high to confirm that we are weak and changing character to the downside, I would love to join. Just, dude, I don't even want to trade unless I'm getting my sniper entries that I'd be getting. Just be taking these trash entries. Only good entry would be right around 5794.
That's my entry. I entered with one contract, but it's nothing. That's literally nothing.
5794.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now let's wait for this 15-minute to close. It may, I mean, it looks like it's going to close as an FUCAN, but usually it's just a trap. The first FUCAN is always a trap. But yeah, I saw on indices that they sometimes they really don't take out the high again because they already took it out so many times.
I don't know the contracts. What do we trade today, Brett? What should we trade? So trade 4 contract. You trade 6. There's the push back up. Let's see if we get this lower high right here, 5794. Come on, baby. It's a pretty bullish candle, not gonna lie. That was aggressive.
Yeah, of the 15-minute, it didn't close as a bearish FU. It changed in the last minute, and now if you look on the 15-minute, most likely it's going to fill quick completely. And might even close above. So I'm literally just gonna wait now.
Okay, I said 5794, right?
We didn't break any structure, still respecting this 15-minute trend line. There's no sign of bearish pressure.
Yeah, I can hold off. I do like this 5794 rejection though. If we do close lower under the EMAs after rejecting this, that would be pretty safe. Dips. I'm just gonna be observing.
Yeah, me too. Just have my alert set.
Continue to dips get bought up. Gotta figure out a game plan. Not gonna try and short when dips are getting bought up. See how MQ's looking today. Yeah, my chart set up. Okay, so NQ's taking out Tokyo High, but hasn't taken out New York. That could change any minute. Just an alert here. Spy. Okay. Got that. I like that. We rejected that my level perfectly. 5794. Getting a slowdown in momentum, looking like we're gonna drop again. We lose this 50 period, we're gonna drop.
Like the thing is, we could scalp these moves, but I always want to catch like the big intraday move.
Yeah. Well, the big move is we get calls off the open, we sweep the all-time high and push down. That right there alone is like a very bearish look. As long as we maintain this lower high that we pushed up and we didn't have enough momentum to get back to that all-time high, showing that bears are holding it down intraday temporarily. All we need to see is a lower low now. We created the low, the opening range is done, but we're just still above VWAP, so I'm gonna be a little patient right here. And we're holding that 50 period EMA perfectly.
I'm going to show quickly something which is absolutely ridiculous. But my gold trade, look how my nerves are getting fucked here. Look, by the way, I have entered. Where did I enter? I entered here. I got stopped out of break even here. I entered here again. Look how it came down. I thought that's it. Then another pullback. I almost got taken out of break even.
Damn.
If this takes me out again, then I lose my belief in trading.
It's a good trade though. How many points is that?
Oh, I don't know what points are, but it's
points for dollars. Like a $10 move on gold, $5 move.
Oh, but then I have to count. It's from 84 to 89.
Okay, so $4 move. All right, $5. Can't do simple math. Oh my god, that's funny.
And no, I'm not gonna keep sharing this because I know it's if I Keep sharing this. It's just gonna take me out. I just don't want to watch it.
Yeah. Small. Dude. Why? Focus. I need to focus on my plan. Swear to God, bro. Can't let these just every time I'm straight at stream, let every trade just go right by. Called the 7-4 reject and it's dumping. Like stops at break even right now. Like everything would have been secure and safe, and I would be in this short. So annoying. What am I doing? Just sit here and just don't trade.
Yeah, but it's kind of understandable after yesterday's performance, especially mine.
Yesterday, same thing. Like I hesitated on my original plays, and after hesitating, not taking my calls that are working every time, I eventually get FOMO and then take something out of spite and just impulse, and then end up taking a loss on something stupid because I just but this is me off. So I just kind of degaff. Can't let that happen today. I'm staying calm. I'm staying patient, but I'm not gonna let my ideas be affected anymore, and just stick to my exact plan. I mean, everything's done exactly what I said it was going to do off the open. Sweep the highs, drop, lower high, enter, boom. Stops would be secured. Yeah, a pop a little higher, trap some more buyers would be nice before the drop. Now that we're down here, like it just seems too obvious right now for the sells to come in. I'd like one more trap to happen.
Yeah, we still have news coming in.
Yeah. If we take out some liquidity on this new home sales in 8 minutes, I'm gonna definitely look to snipe and sell entry if we pop straight up. Where could I get in? 5 points stop. Better, actually, 3 points. Yeah, so if I can get in even at 5795, that allows me to have a 3-point stop above the high. So any push up to that area, and that'd be salt. Super good risk reward. That's what's crazy about yesterday's trade. I was originally shooting for a 1 to 12 if it hit the New York low, but even with me moving it all the way up, I still closed a 1 to 6. It's fucking fabulous. All right, I'm gonna be looking to enter right after this news comes out. I'm not gonna enter early. News has been absolutely not on my side for the last 10 news events. I get swept out, so I'm not sure how to approach the news days. I'm just over it. Give it a rest. Plus, right after news happens, usually it's super crystal clear where the market's gonna head. Just gotta give it a minute. Oh man, I can't wait for this short to let go of VWAP and just flush. It's gonna happen. You don't know. Get on up. Four minutes remaining. Let's go. We got a lot of early news tomorrow at 7:30. Yeah. And Chair Powell speeches tomorrow. It's Thursday. Oh, we got 3 days. It's gonna be huge, bro. I'm gonna set a limit order above the all-time high, just in case we get a big push and a tight 2-point stop, 3-point stop. Been liking these limit orders lately. NQ just took out the New York high from yesterday. That's what that was. Pushing. Wow. NQ is looking mighty strong right now. Way different than ES. Crazy. Very interesting, actually. I'm not sure what to think of this. What the hell? Tech stocks must be going crazy right now. Now that we got the sweep, if we get a sweep on NQ and it starts to melt, that could drag ES down with it. Might be a better trade on NQ since it's up higher. That's not bad. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, 2 minutes. Let's go. It's a long 5 minutes.
I say ES is going to take out the high again.
Yep. If it does, I'm ready. I'm ready to take it out with it on a little dinner date to the high. See what these home sales do. Typically, home sales rocks to the downside as of lately, due to the home sales being garbage. And we go up first, up first, up first. NQ looks like it's ready to rip. All right, here goes 15 seconds. They're pushing. And there it is. What are you in, Jake? What'd you get in? I'm not in anything.
So they're better than expected. Worse than the previous, but better than expected.
There it is. Pushed up. Failed to make a new high. We are in a good sell zone, but just don't like NQs. I mean, I don't need to focus on that, bro. I don't know. This is a little tricky. One more way creates. Oh, take it. Let's see. What's the stop looking like? Oh, that's fine. It's not bad. Wow, the daily candle is ridiculous, not gonna lie. Daily candles on NAS and ES look so bullish because we melted during Tokyo. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, more upside, more upside. Definitely gonna take out this high. Now that I'm seeing this push eating up that wick, I think get a nice little push up to maybe 5,800. 5,800 on ES could reject. That's like level. Could be a good spot to take.
I mean, with this bottom wick that we have from the Asian session, it's possible that we just get a very bullish close above the all-time high.
Yep.
Very possible.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to take longs up. I mean, it would be nice if this thing's just going to pump all day, but just no good entry for longs. So as far as that, I'm just going to observe and try and spot the market flipping. That's my only option, really, is to be able to spot it flipping.
Yeah, because we don't want to buy the top right.
Nope. It is looking mighty fine, though. On the NQ, this thing is just going. Yes, it's falling again. Yes, it's tricky, man. These fucking New Yorks have been horrible off the open. Just straight consolidate. Like, what? It's ridiculous. And like, Tokyo moves way, like, lately it's been moving like just more straight, less chop, but it moves so freaking slow. Like, I couldn't watch at all. I just put in my orders last night and just got off everything. Just
like on the NQ on the daily made a bullish FU candle.
on the day.
Yeah, like
So
you, it's so easy to actually when you could just set the limit order to 50% of the body. But yeah, I always want to watch it.
interesting. I see that.
But yeah, Nasdaq is like has this on the daily this fair value gap, and it's above liquidity, which makes this a very valid sell. But it just has to reach this first. So you see, starts at 20400. Yeah, most likely it's gonna hit it today.
At what? 2,400 or 20,400?
Yeah, exactly.
That's super high though. That's like 200 points, 150 points.
Yeah, of course. But once it hits this, then I'm gonna look for shorts on Nasdaq.
Gotcha.
ES is a different story because it's already above the all-time high.
Yeah. I mean, we do have this high on NAS at 20,257. It's the high of, when was that? Let me see. I don't even know when that was. A while ago. August 22nd. But it's not that important. It's just one level. I don't know, man. Focus on one thing. Yes. Where it is, yes. Holy crap.
Wow, this wick is insane.
Yeah, I was like, what? I just see what I think I did.
The fuck?
Spiked up. It rejected 5,800 to the exact penny. Exactly what I just said might happen, but let's see if it maintains. I like that rejection. Heavy. We're now sweeping the opening range as well. I want to try shorts here, to be honest, but just don't know, man. Yeah. It's weird how this is moving up the way it's moving up. I'm gonna give it a shot. See if we can get a push down the VWAP. Stops above that high. Just gotta let go of this 9. We should be solid. There we go. Come on, baby, push through that. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Keep flushing. Keep flushing. It is strong on this 9, bro. Like, for being weird. Sitting on it. Second, we break under the 50. Move it stops to break even because I don't want to. I might just scalp this honestly to VWAP if we get down there. I might be 10 points. Let's see. No, it's only 7. Come on, papi chulo. Let's go. Not liking this. These guys can't. Momentum. Yes, sir. Sell those pop-ups. Flush. I don't know why I think a flush is coming. I can just spidey sense it. Right through that 50 period. Don't even test it. Just flush through it. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Keep it going. Trying to decide, do I set my stops at break even or wait for 20 ticks? It's a tough one. Wow. Saw that happening off the 50 period. Not surprised. Was thinking that the 5 minute looks so tricky, bro. Like, what is this candle?
Yeah, so the new 15 minutes just opened, but for me it's just
the 15 was beautiful.
Yeah, definitely.
I just like that we swept the all-time high as we swept the opening range. Like when those two things align, very good for a reversal. Plus 9 o'clock time when that happened, right at 9. So I'll just leave it. I'm just gonna leave this trade. Stops here. Just let it run. Not gonna micromanage it. If it goes, it goes. If not, this is a small little stop loss anyways. 2.5 points, 3.5 points. No biggie.
I just hate it when it's these bullish candles, but with huge wicks to both sides. Then it's so hard to trade.
Yeah, I feel you. Whenever things are contradicting each other, it makes so hard to make a decision.
Yes, but just wait and wait and wait.
Crazy. All the way back up. Let's see if we create the lower high. Damn, I realized I only got 4 hours of sleep last night. It's crazy. I feel pretty good. I can hear my neighbor's alarm. These walls are so thin, dude. I don't know what's wrong. Who built this building? But... oh, wait. You know what that is? That's the music in the stream.
Oh, I can make it. I can turn it down.
It's very quiet, but I just like, I don't know. I can hear the neighbors sometimes, so I thought it was their just alarm going off. A little song. Pulled right up. Rejected. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Yeah, actually, let me see this thing. Getting way back down there. This could be just a massive trap. And then we close. The daily can close a bearish engulfing still easily. Or no, the daily can close a fat FU candle, honestly. If it gets back down and engulfs, that would be so sick to snipe the top from here and get that move all the way down to, yeah, at least 24 points. Potentially even bigger, 30, 40 points. This line has that gold ball. I'm expecting spot. Here we go. Rock and roll into the downside.
Nice call, man. Very nice.
Just got to get
Thanks.
under that 50 period VWAP, mainly the VWAP. If we can lose VWAP, we're done. This thing's fucking tanking. At least down to the Tokyo low right here. Right. That's actually. Ooh! Let's go.
Let's fucking go. I'm going to take a partial here.
Yeah, I'm scared this thing's going to bounce off VWAP just like that. Ugh. No. And it's the hourly. Look at it. The hourly trend line that I've had. Oh, what do I do? What do I do?
That's why I always take partials, because in 90% of the cases it comes straight back up.
But if you got the direction right, if your analysis, especially when you're catching highs and lows of the day, you got to might as well just hold for the day, for the trend, until the EMAs tell me otherwise. But in this case, we're like, it's too early, it's too fresh to even use any tools to gauge momentum or direction. We need to fully break this. Once we fully break this, Jesus Louise, dude, all the way back up, really? I knew VWAP was going to do that. Look at that. To the exact freaking penny. Wants nothing to do with VWAP.
I'm at break even with my other half. But I mean, you definitely called the direction right, and the entry was on point. So you have to congrats to yourself. That's a very nice.
I still believe, honestly, I think we're going to get under VWAP. Just had to tap it in. There's a lot of people anticipating that bounce, so we'll get it second time, hopefully. I'm going to leave my stop. I'm not even going to set it at break even, just because I want to allow this thing to pull up and create a lower high if it wants to.
Yeah, thanks to futures, we don't get stopped out with spread, so that's very nice.
Yeah, definitely. Damn, that drop was super aggressive too. I thought this thing was gonna just let go. But that VWAP aligned with the hourly trend line that I have too. Look at this like intraday trend line. We just like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, it bounces off, but I heard something very interesting last week, that these wicks, like, people see it as if it rejects because it's a very strong resistance, which is true, but it's basically a sell limit, or in this case a buy limit wall. So tons of people have their limit orders there. And what happens if you have a wall and you punch it with a hammer over and over again? It gets weaker over time. So over time.
That's why I noticed about this. And I believe it's not even just this little one, like the hourly that I have marked, bro. We've been riding this forever. It's bound to fall.
And once it breaks so aggressively, it breaks through everything.
Man, I want to see a 50-point drop. Just flush. That would be amazing. Yeah. It's time, man. We're due. It's a little past due, actually. You're late. There's a late payment too, so I'm going to charge a fee for that. We're taxing on these guys today. Pay us our shorts. Here we go, attempt number 2. Can we break it? Yes, we can. Damn, we got the 50 period and VWAP. It's like double power. But it's also double power if we get through it to the downside to hold us down. Here it goes. Tapping in.
And exactly what I said happened. It takes out the high, then it breaks internal structure to the downside. It takes out the high again.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take my first short when I wanted to at that level. And waited for your analysis to be correct. I'm taking that high out again.
My boy's fucking back with his shorts.
Banger. Banger. I want to see that 40 tick mark. Come on, baby. I'm gonna set my limit order. Actually, yeah, I'll just set it right here. Actually, no. I'm just gonna use the EMAs once we get down there.
I'm in the short, but at the same time, I look for longs. As soon as I have a valid long signal, I'm gonna exit from.
They're just projecting. It's ridiculous, dude. That's so ugly, bro. Even bigger wick this time. Disgusting. She goes there across the border in Jersey. Holy shit, man. Never. These 5 minutes, bro. Why? Could be creating a head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right at my entry. Then we drop. She goes there across the border in Jersey. That thing's so hard. All right, the hourly close or 30-minute close is right here. Beautiful push down again, right to view up. Come on, baby, get the flush.
Yeah, like a close below this range. Finally, this would be something.
It's gonna go here. Lows are breaking. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
And I was about to exit because I was scared. But I didn't.
Good man.
I didn't because I'm going to quickly show it. I have this indicator, which I use sometimes. You see here, it's nothing but an EMA and an RSI, but you see that here's the EMA and it retested it here. It didn't break out. So it traded below the EMA and just came up aggressively to retest it. Obviously, it doesn't always work, especially in small time frames, but it gave me some confidence.
Dude, this thing is really pissed
Oh, I'm showing the wrong chart. No, yeah, I'm actually showing the wrong chart.
Get the melt and stay melted.
Oh, that's actually a 2-minute FU.
Shh, don't curse it.
Maybe an actual sell day. Who knows?
I'm telling you, man, we've been due since Monday, Tuesday. I believe since we're delayed, it's going to be paying good. It's going to pay overtime. What's going on? I don't know what the hell's happening in my chart. We just close under VWAP and stop freaking frocking around. Well, if we get a clear sign of direction and break under these opening range and these lows, holding under VWAP, I'm going to add to my position 4 more times.
How much are you going to add? Same size or less?
Same size, 4 more. So I should bring my maybe I'll do 2, so it brings my average not all the way down. 2 or 3, we'll see. Depending how much I like it.
I'm gonna wait with adding.
Yeah, me too. It's not gonna be for a minute. I want to see us get under these lows, like the opening range lows, and show that this is either resistance or the EMAs and everything's getting held down, and we're starting to like actually trend aggressively with a lot of momentum.
Yeah, because as of now we're still in the range.
Yeah. Exactly.
So and now we have had this 30-minute close, which is this 1 hour opening range, which by the way is about to form a bearish FU on the 1 hour. So if we go below the current low here, then there's a 64% chance it's not going to break the high.
It's amazing. Like in my probabilities here.
And if it doesn't break the low and it takes out the high, then there's a high chance it's going to continue bullish and we have a bullish close. Yeah, there's this strategy, it's called DR or daily range strategy, where you wait for after like 1 hour after the open. And then once you have a 5-minute close outside the range, then you know it's a bullish day. Then you just wait for a pullback back inside the range and you continue in the same direction.
It's fucking so annoying, dude. So it just refuses to close under VWAP, bro. Like, come on.
Yeah.
Just go already.
There's way worse stuff going on in the world. Ask me, oh my god, I'm so it's like no, it's like you're fat, you made that decision, you live in the best country ever, you live in a civilized first world country, etc. We have all this happening. It's ridiculous. We are so privileged here in the United States and the Western China. When I see a fat person, wow, you got to get the big health country. You're something about
Oh my God, they're frying this guy.
it's just like how can you not? I just can't understand. You can't
Holy shit.
Yeah, we bounced off again, extremely perfect from this trend lines.
Could just push up, create a shoulder though. We're still looking like a head and shoulders potentially. I honestly don't see this thing creating a new high. I really don't. I think it might just go up slowly, chop sideways, and then boom, down at some point. Yeah, I don't know. I'll let it play out though. Fortunately, it's not a 20-minute trade, 10-minute trade. Like I would. Just got to get these bulls to give up. Give up. You fight for a right loving. Target 1. Right down here. Target 2. No, I'm just kidding. That's target 1. That is a huge bearish engulfing on the 15. It's wild. Yeah, this thing's gonna drop. All right. Get some coffee going. Nobody wanna see us together. Body don't matter. If I have you. All right. Oh, are you kidding me? Fuck. God damn it. Fucking kidding me, bro. Fuck, dude. Where we at? Oh, we're looking pretty good. Broke my fucking coffee cup. I mean, my whole coffee maker.
Yeah, I think we
I was
might.
water it, and it fucking just hit the counter and just exploded. God, I hope it's not glass. Nobody wants to get weird. I got you. Oh, it was glass. Thank God I slept. Okay, that's it. This has got to be one of the most annoying trades ever, bro. What is happening? Fucking 30 points. 20, 30, 20 ticks, 30 ticks, 20 ticks. Just go. Oh, it's setting up for a drop right here. I can see it. I can see it. Well, no coffee for me. That sucks. That blows. Just looking forward to that cup. If I want to see us together, but it don't matter. I wonder if the stream can hear me sing. You guys hear me singing? I got a good voice. Yeah, it's me. Give me 20 points on the day and I'll call it even. I ain't calling nothing. sucking. Put this view up. Oh boy, nobody's thinking this way. You're gonna create a shoulder? Create the damn shoulder already. Otherwise, let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy shnikes. 5, 10, 50, 20, 20. That's not that much, actually. Rock and roll. How much time's left on this? 1 minute and 40 seconds. We can get this to close low on this 5 with no wick. We will see an absolute tank. Let's freaking go. It is super cloudy today. Yet again. How's the weather in Colombia?
Oh, it's every day the same. It's always sunny. Always between 16 and 28 degrees.
What is it? I don't know, Celsius.
I have no idea. But it's like summer weather, but it's never too hot. It's never cold. It's always the same temperature. It's like as if it's the most stable climate I've ever seen.
Is it humid there?
No, you need no aircon. You can always sleep with windows open. There's no mosquitoes. It's the perfect climate.
That's
But only in this, like in Medellin. In Bogota, it's shit. At the coast, it's super hot.
Sounds pretty amazing. Not liking this 5 minute. I mean, like it's still nice, but I would like to see it push more bearish. There we go. That was a good close. Decent close. But I'm up over 10 points finally. Looking solid, looking solid. Target, Tokyo low. We start to flush aggressively and absolutely tank, bro. I'd love to see that just get taken out.
So now we actually closed. No, did we get a close? I don't think so. I don't think we got this. Yeah, actually, we got a close below the range, but with the instantly got bought up.
Literally, I don't know what the hell these bulls are trying to accomplish here. Like, so they need to just fuck off, man. Stop crying.
Now, after it's close below, there's a 64% chance it's not going to take the high, but this doesn't mean anything because it can still do the same, can do the opposite 10 times in a row. That's the thing with probabilities.
At this point, stop's going to break even. I'm not letting a 10-point winner go red on me. Sucks, man. right back up to the VWAP, and VWAP doesn't even act like any type of resistance, just right back above. Pathetic. Sellers are retarded. Come on, guys. Show some strength to the downside. Flush this wick, please. This 5 minute closes with a massive wick off these EMAs and VWAP. We will be looking pretty good. I don't like that. That 1 minute just pushed down, created a bot right back up. I'm just gonna exit if we close above this 50 period. I'm done with this trade. It's not doing what I needed to do. So fucking annoying, dude. Why? Market just doesn't continue at all in this whole week. It just every day has looked like this. Just eat trash price action. There hasn't been one trend day, I don't think, this week.
Also, the buys are so hard to catch. I mean, yesterday was a clear bullish day, but it was impossible to buy it almost. It was just one entry, went so fast, and then it just ranged and ranged and ranged. Like it's just a rising range. Yeah, exactly. Channel. I hate these channels.
Channels are like sometimes easy to trade because you can just buy the bottoms or sell the tops. That was my idea for the beginning of the week, and that's how I caught that top right here on this day, because I saw the channel. I saw we had every single day we were just taking out the highs and dropping, taking out. So when we got up here, we sold on that day and caught that 10-point move. But and then we did it again here, took out the high, dropped.
Yeah, now we have a 5 minute bullish FU, which bounced off the EMA. So I say it's no. Well, it didn't close yet, but.
Oh, you said 5 minute?
Yeah. It bounced off the 200 EMA. Might have been a massive manipulation. Who knows?
Yeah, if it's gonna sell, it needs to sell now. Like now, no more highs. I have a feeling so many people are in shorts here. It's going to go up, stop everyone out, but it's not going to create a new high. It's going to create a lower high, like right in this area where I entered, and then we're going to get a massive flush. Unless we just drop here. But if we don't, I still, like, overall just don't see this market making a new high. So that would be, I'm putting this back here. We're sticking to the plan. Even though I really just don't want to see this turn red on me, but it's so hard because it's just a perfect area to enter and have a stop loss. So sucks. But it's like, if we are gonna push it up here, this is the exact area that we'd create the shoulder to. So it's like, fuck, man, right in my entry. Could potentially fail. I don't know. Swept the bottom of the opening range.
Bro, that's why I take partials, because otherwise I would never make profit. Because in most of the cases it simply doesn't hit my TP. much more likely not to hit my TP than hitting my TP, but I can still make money.
Yeah. Yeah, for my trading style, like I'd rather have 4 days of break even and one 40-point winner on the day that it does go, rather than having 4 or 5 days of 5-10 point winners. Like, I don't know, just my personal preference. I'm more willing to give back in order to capture the big one fully. Doesn't feel good to give back, but giving back profits, or at least giving back what was profits to break even, feels better to me than being in a position and missing out on profits because I closed.
Oh, yeah, I see.
One more break under VWAP. Come on, baby. New low. Let's see it. That was aggressive. Hopefully we can keep going.
So the buy here is definitely different than yesterday, because yesterday it went up in a straight line, and here it's already struggling at the first resistance. So it's still more bearish than bullish.
You fucking kidding me, dude? Guys buying these lows. It's not bad. Not a bad trade. Absolute garbage price action. No, come on. Where's a sell day? Like, no fucking sell days in the last fucking 10 decades. Like,
I'm sure NFP is going to be massive sell day.
What the hell is this, dude? How is the daily just green, 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 green? Who is doing this? Some crackheads in the market. Getting a beautiful dip and then it rips right back up. He's just saying, let go. Let go of VWAP. Again, just sitting on VWAP, like, kissing its ass. Kiss his ass goodbye. Sayonara. To the downside. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let go of 57.90. Go to 57.80.
New 1 hour candle.
New fuck you candle. Okay. I'm mad. I'm aggressive. This hourly candle. Ugly. What is this? Completely indecisive candle right here. Does not know where it wants to go. I know where I want it to go. Down, baby. So weird. Oh, yeah, I can tell you exactly where the market's going. And New York opens, and I can't tell you anything. What the fuck is up with this New York trash lately? Garbage dumpster, freaking New York. No joke. Waste of my morning, bro. Like, have me sitting around for no reason. Monday through Friday. No follow-up.
Yeah, we need to stream the Asia session.
Middle of the night.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the most volatile and cleanest of all sessions. It's the Asia session. Let's catch some big moves.
I missed yesterday's sweep of the lows. That was so obvious. $24 ticks in profit. Look at these days, bro. Disgusting. Oh my god. I'm surprised like I'm able to trade in this. God, that's crazy. The choppiest, shittiest looking day of the week. I sniped the top on that, baby. Let's see. Was this Monday? No, Friday. Friday, I don't remember. But Friday, I think we had a banger trade. I don't remember what happened.
Yeah, Friday was good. It just took absolute ages to reach the target. It's so difficult mentally.
Like today? Just
like the past few months, yeah.
at this point, bro, we get back down to freaking bottom. I'm just gonna get out. Holding for a big move. You know? We just let go. Just let go of these freaking lows. Shit. Needs to flush. Why not? Why not just flush for me? Oh boy. Oh fuck. It is what it is. No expectations. I'm setting my mind to have zero expectations for this day. Prepared to get stopped at break even and walk away. Definitely not placing a trade today after this shenanigans. Crazy. Some days I caught that one day I caught 80 ticks in a 1 minute candle. 80 ticks in 1 minute. And I'm in this shit for fucking hours. Can't even get 40 ticks. That's funny.
Yeah, you know, it's end of the month. You have to understand that at the end of the month, the wick is formed of the monthly candle. This means it's just a rejection. It doesn't break. If it's bullish, it doesn't really break the lows, but it's also struggling to break the highs. So I've seen the best weeks are always the first 2 weeks of the month, or even the third, but the last week of the month is always the worst week. You just have a range market.
Bro, this monthly is a massive wick to the bottom. It's disgusting. This fucking blows, dude. What type of nonsense is this?
I really miss 2021, 22. It was so volatile. It was amazing.
We need to get some big dump days back in the market. I'm just, wait a minute. Brother. SPY hit the call wall perfectly. SPY looks good for sells, honestly. SPY's under VWAP and maintaining and holding under VWAP. I like this. Looks like it's about to drop right here on SPY. Let's go. It's dragging ES with it. Beautiful. What the flock? Come on, baby. SPY, keep going. No, it just bounced off the 50. There's always something to bounce off. It's not the 50 on the 9, it's the 50 on the 5. It's not the 50 on the 5, it's the 50 on the 15. Always something in the way. What the fuck, man? That was the sickest drop on SPY, and it just goes right back up. What the flock? Looking flock.
You will see next month, like next week at the beginning of the month, it's going to be so much better, with the volatility. Moves are going to be cleaner, much bigger.
I'm ready. I'm freaking ready. Like SpongeBob. I'm ready.
Usually get a big manipulation before NFP, and then NFP usually is a huge day.
If SPY loses this 50, we're gone. The day is over. Look at this. I don't know if you can see my charts. This is what I was talking about. The SPY chart. Got our call wall. Reject. Melt. Break. We're going to break this. Boom, boom, boom. Come all the way down. Maybe not today, but tomorrow. Monday. Wait, tomorrow's Friday. Thursday? Yeah. Thursday or Friday. Start melting from here. I wish they didn't increase the margin requirement first to hold trades overnight. That was
how much is it for a micro?
So, for a micro, so one micro, just the day trade's $50, and then I don't know. I'm not sure what the. Let me see. MES. You just have to close out and open up right at that 5 o'clock time. But let's see, where's MES? Hello, where is it? MES. You need, for one micro, you need $1,600 in your account.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
So it's super hard. Like,
So I would be able to swing 2 micros with this account. So I have like about 3K in this account. Bro. That's ridiculous. But I guess if I'm trading on the 20K, it's pretty good. Because then I could trade. I don't even know. What's 20,000 divided by 16?
On the other hand, it's almost impossible to blow it like this.
I could trade one, like about one regular contract on the 20K account. It's not horrible.
No. Yeah, I think it's better because otherwise you can blow your account.
Oh my God. SPY is about to close under. Let's go. Come on, baby. Get under the 50, please. I will freaking love you forever. I like the SPY chart. I'm just going to keep it on the SPY chart. It just looks better to me. And then it'll be a surprise when I look back at yes. $100, $100, 100 ticks. Oh my God. I'm so excited to make breakfast. That's breakfast for today. Just the casual drop to the lows. Bro, the second I click back to the MES chart, it started going back up. This is my chart. Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm so hungry. I can't. Some cereal, please. Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Maybe now, maybe.
What's going on? Oh, SPY's dumping. I don't know why. MES is kind of still holding, but SPY took off, kind of. They look pretty similar now that I think about it. I don't know. Whatever. Going back.
If you can just re-break the low and stay below, come on.
Yeah, that would be ideal. Do it. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, it's not that bad, but still, it's so annoying. Bro, what are you doing? SPY just doesn't want to close under this 50 period. It hasn't wanted to do that for the longest time. I think it's going to happen today. I just think it's going to take It's at the close. Just hold till the close. Pop-ups keep getting sold off, so it's good. No more news. We're good. Good on that. Go back to this one. I never use these like little grade things that you use, but might as well put it up.
What do you mean?
The little like short position and long position tool.
Oh yeah, so people can see it.
Because I don't really.
It looks kind of satisfying.
Yeah. I just don't like having a target in mind. Ridiculous. I said if we get down to 40 ticks again, I would sell, and I didn't. God, I didn't even create a new low. That's fucked. Dude, my mentor, he tried longing the bottoms. I was so pissed off when I found out he went long. Freaking hedging against us. He got stopped out though. I'm like, yeah, bro. I'm trading better than my mentor now.
How old is he?
With conviction. He's like 29, 30. I like that these pop-ups are getting sold off pretty nicely. So, where is my...
To be honest, I'm fucking tired of this bullshit. I cannot watch it any longer. This is not tradable. This is not worth it. This is a complete waste of time.
Just let it do its thing. Don't even watch it. Go watch some YouTube or something.
No, bro. I'm done. I'm absolutely done.
You just gonna get out?
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna get out. It's gonna freaking rocket to the downside.
Okay, here I'm gonna cover in a bit.
It's gonna go, bro. Trust. It's gonna go. We're gonna target this low, Tokyo low. That's what I'm selling. I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna sell earlier or later. It's either break even or Tokyo low, baby. Set my limit. Boom. Stop loss or Tokyo low. And even this is fucking. I feel like I'm gonna get ran through. Potentially trade down here. Another 1 to 13. That would be insane. Holy shit. How many ticks is that? There are no points. How many points is that? 40? 660 ticks. Wow. At least sell at 10 points profit. Not shooting for that. It's ridiculous. Can't see the candles, damn it. It's so choppy. It just looks like doo-doo. Yeah, but Tim, did you leave?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you left. I don't know why.
No.
I didn't see the photo. There it is. Okay. Call right here. So yesterday I was talking about how SPY has that call at 72 unexpected. Basically a gap down on SPY. Yes, futures no. So right on the open, we open up and completely go up, take out the I'd love to see that now. Expect the market to target some sell side quickly. So I get it short right here at the top. We push up a little, almost stop me out. Stops right above this high. Create a lower high. There we go. So originally on this trade, I was like, okay, let's target this lower, quickly down here for a big meltdown. But right before bed, my intuition just kicked in and it's telling me most likely not going to happen until it goes session this entire session. So let's make it a little more realistic of the target. This is still a massive trade right here. So we're targeting this lower wick. We'll have this exit. Check out this call right here. So yesterday I was talking about how SPY has that call wall at 72. Unexpected. Basically a gap down on SPY. Yes, futures no. So right on the open, we open up and immediately go up and take out the down. Love to see that now. Expect the market to target some sell side liquidity. So I get it short right here at the top. We push up a little, almost stop me out. Stop right above this high. Create a lower high. And then we go. So originally on this trade, I was like, okay, let's target this lower, put it down here for a big meltdown. But right before bed, my intuition just kicked in and was telling me most likely not going to happen until it goes session this entire session. So let's make it a little more realistic of the target. This is still a massive trade right here. So we're targeting this lower wick. Look at this exit. Ooh, here we go. Come on. Dump. We just need to break this little 1 minute trend line. Oops. If we can break that, we're going to flush.
Yeah, I agree. Totally agree.
There we go. Boom. We're tapping it, tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. Come on, come on, come on. Give it to me. Oh, man. I'm having too much fun. I love trading. It is a life.
Most likely not going to have a Tokyo session this entire work session. So let's make a little more realistic with the target. This is still a massive trade right here. So we're targeting this lower way. Look at that. It's next. All right, guys, check out this call right here. So yesterday I was talking about how SPY has that call wall at 572. I'm expecting basically a gap down on SPY. Yes, futures no. So right off
I think I need to create a bot which always places buy limits where it's a 1 minute trend line, because nothing gets respected more than 1 minute fucking trend lines on indices.
almost stop here. I'm gonna stop right above this high.
It's crazy how this works.
No. So originally on the trade,
Say it again. Sorry, I was listening to something.
I need to create a bot that trades trend lines on the 1 minute on ES, because they get respected so much.
Yeah, right. Seriously, they do. And then they get disrespected. When they get disrespected, it usually works out pretty well.
all right, guys, check out this call right here. So yesterday I was talking about how SPY has that call wall at 572. And I'm expecting basically a gap down on SPY. Yes,
Failed.
so right off the open.
Failed, break again. I'm not surprised. Like, these are gonna continue failing and moving up and failing to move higher. It's just gonna be a slow chug down, but eventually, when people like what you just wanted to do, like, all right, I'm sick of waiting, everyone's gonna get out, everyone's gonna get off the markets, and then it's gonna go. It's just trying to wear people out and just get people pissed. Does that, dude? That's why patience prevails in the worst times when you don't want to be.
We'll stop me now. Stop right above this high. Break the lower high. No. So originally on the trade, I was like, okay, let's target this lower. Put it down here. For big melted. But right before bed, my intuition just kicked in. Was telling me most likely.
Boom, 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 boom. Sick and tired of hearing all these people talking about how do I catch a freaking 80 tick move in Tokyo, but not in London. I mean, New York. Okay, so yeah, if we hit this, that'll be 23 points, about 100 ticks, 90 ticks. Yeah, 90 ticks. Back to back, 80 tick days or 80 tick trades. 160 ticks in the last 24 hours. Not bad, partner. I like that we're under everything right now, though. We're under VWAP. We're maintaining under VWAP. We're still pressing down. We're under all the EMAs. We're looking good. We're looking good. See what SPY's looking. SPY's looking good. SPY's looking real good. Oh, SPY's looking fabulous. Let's go. I don't want to be that one. Could just drop 10 points from here in 1 minute candle.
I'm gonna be so sick.
I don't know why it feels like it's gonna drop right here, like 5 points, 10 points. Some nasty drop coming. Coming to you live from the underground.
I got to check out this call right here. So yesterday I was talking about how SPY has that call wall at 572, and I'm expecting basically a gap down on SPY and ES futures to melt. So right off the open, we open up and immediately go up and take out the New York high. Love to see that. Now, expecting the market to target some sell side liquidity. So I get in short right here at the top, snipe, boom. You push up a little, almost stop me out. It stops right above this high. Create a lower high, and then we melt. So originally on this trade, I was like, okay, let's target this lower, put it down here for a big melt day. But right before bed, my intuition just kicked in and was telling me most likely not going to have a Tokyo session that eats this entire previous New York session. So let's make a little more realistic of a target. This is still a massive trade right here. So we're targeting this lower wick. All right, guys, check out this call.
Yeah, bro, I have my stop loss at break even, and I have my targets here at 5781. But honestly, I cannot watch this any longer. I'm absolutely tired of this bullshit. I'm gonna.
I feel you. Yeah, you can hop off, bro. I'm just gonna be chilling. I'm just on my phone and
Sure,
getting back, letting it do it.
sure. But I'm gonna end the stream, and hopefully tomorrow we get a better move. But yeah, I mean, thanks for the call. It was a perfect entry, was on point. Just very, very ugly price action.
Yeah, unfortunate downside movement, but yeah, we'll catch more volatile one on another day.
Yeah.
For now, we're good to go. Thanks for coming and watching. And
Yeah, I know you send me a message and send me a screenshot of your big move. It's gonna come, I know.
yeah, I will.
Okie dokie.
All right,
Thanks so much. See you tomorrow. Peace out.
later.